Veolia is a global environmental services business. Globally, Veolia would employ about 360,000 people, so quite a large number. The company is about 150 years old. Not particularly well recognised in Australia, other than probably the most prominent in the area at the moment would be the business I'm responsible for in New South Wales, so Veolia Environmental Services, particularly waste management, and our transport business, which is the buses that are more prominent these days in Sydney. People, planet, profit for Veolia is our core fundamentals of the business. The people, of the 8,500 people in Australia and New Zealand, 99% of those people received training in 2008. So quite a huge number. It's very important to our business. We're very much a people business. Is that we've instigated a wellness program for our people. There's two main parts to it. There's quite a sensational fitness facility that we have on this site, and then the general wellbeing program amongst our employees. This is a sensational facility, as you can see. It's currently utilised by around about 140, 145 people. It's not compulsory by any stretch of the imagination, and some of us, as like me, need it a bit more than others. But if I can introduce Chrissy and Sandra, these guys run our program, and it's not just in this facility. Sandra has been travelling out and about at 4, 5, 6 in the morning, doing our toolbox meetings, talking about health, well-being for our blue-collar workers, our drivers, our operators. Planet. I mean, Planet's the core of our business. So environmental services is waste management. It's about efficiently looking after the resources involved in waste management. So that's recycling, waste management, the material that ultimately ends up in our bioreactors, which is a very sophisticated landfill, is all about highly engineered site to extract the maximum amount of gas, methane gas, and we turn that into energy. Okay, paperless trucks is a proprietary design that we've had built for us. It's effectively about eliminating as best we can the paper process that we have in our collection vehicles. It also allows us to do things like weigh the bins that we collect and the waste that's in those bins, so we can give that feedback to our clients. We're about improving the way we do things and the way we handle waste. We'd rather pick up less waste from more clients. That's effectively what we're about. We're a manager of resources, so it allows us to do that as well. We can in individual clients, or even on a large site, individual places around their client site, we can tell them how much waste was generated, what type of waste it was, what it weighed, and effectively where it ended up. One of the other important things for us is it's great to have a green environment around you, but the green environment uses a bit of water. We now have a couple of rainwater tanks buried under the grass that you wouldn't know were there, capture all the storm water off the building, and that's used to water the gardens. This precinct is very important to our New South Wales business. If we go, we have a liquid treatment and recycling plant, we have our food waste processing plant, and we have Clyde Intermodal Terminal, which is a very important part of our transfer facility down to our Woodlawn bioreactor. So we're very much about this area, and we're quite proud of being out here. We actually moved our state office out of Pyrmont. We had a lovely office overlooking the water, but it wasn't practical for what we needed to do. Sustainability and profitability go hand in hand. You can't have one without the other. It's just not practical.